So before we get into the Bitcoin charts, let's look at this article from investing.com. 600K Bitcoin price prediction. Cathie Wood lays out ARK's base case. So Cathie Wood, the CEO of ARK Invest, has been known for her optimistic predictions on Bitcoin. Wood expressed an ambitious outlook for Bitcoin's future price with a base case at 600K and the bull case of over 1 million by 2030. This bold prediction is underpinned by Wood's belief in Bitcoin as a revolutionary concept, the first global private digital rules-based monetary system. The ARK Invest CEO argues that this new paradigm could cause significant shifts in global finance and contribute to deflationary effects in the economy. Recalling recent market events, noted the correlation between the instability in the banking sector and Bitcoin's price surge. She specifically referred to the collapse of the regional banks in the U.S. in early 2023, which coincided with a significant increase in the price of Bitcoin. This observation supports a theory that as traditional financial system shows signs of weakness, more investors are likely to turn to digital assets like Bitcoin. Again, her timeline is set for 2030, base case 600,000, bull case 1 million. Don't take my word for it. Let's hear it directly from Cathie.
Your confidence across crypto more broadly, are you still confident in that $1 million target for Bitcoin?
For Bitcoin, yes, actually. The more uncertainty and volatility there is in the global economies, the more our confidence increases in Bitcoin. And one of the reasons is we've just been through an inflationary scare. We think it was very much supply chain driven. And Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation. We also believe now that the bigger risk is deflation, not inflation. And why would Bitcoin do well in that circumstance? It would do well because it's an antidote to counterparty risk in the traditional financial system. On the Bitcoin blockchain, everything is transparent. It may be pseudonymous, but we can see all the transactions, all of the activity, and therefore we have a much better understanding of how little counterparty risk there is in the blockchain world.
Now, according to the Bitcoin price chart, this is the monthly chart. We can see price stalled out at the 30K level, which was prior support, which became now resistance. We can see since then price has gone down in the last 2 months with the current candle in the red. If we go down to the weekly chart, we can see that we did get a crossover of the 13 and 26 simple moving average. We did see a sell-off for the week of March 6th, only for the moving averages, which at that time were pointing upwards to serve as support at the psychological round hole number of 20,000. So what I'm watching right now, despite price respecting this down trend line on the weekly chart, if we go to the daily chart, I'm watching to see if this area, which is where we have some buyers, at the $24,000 range, can serve as support. Now, what I like about this level is that this green candle was on high volume. So we had a rally in price. We had two basing candles and then a rally out from this zone. Also, the rally out takes out the pivot highs to the left. So if price can shoot down, I'm expecting a reaction where the buyers step in. And the other advantage of going long at this level is by the time or if price shoots down, you should see the 200-day moving average kind of continue to trickle up. That should also serve as support. So at some point, you're going to get volatility decreasing as it stays within this 23.5 and 27.5 range until we get a breakout in either direction. But downside, look at 24K. Upside, look at 30K until we get a breakout either below 24 or breakout above 30. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.